In the controlled drying stage, the antlers reach their optimal moisture content in this stable, temperature-controlled environment.
The internal defect inspection stage ensures that only sound, defect-free material advances, using a high-intensity loop to check the bone structure.
This is the thermal conditioning stage. The antler sections are heated to a precise temperature, making the bone material temporarily more pliable for shaping.
Keep an eye on the expansion joints.
All readings are nominal. The material is conditioning well.
This section needs to match the reference template precisely before we move to sanding.
This arm matches the diagram here.
Yes, position 3. The crystal count is accurate as well. Alignment is good. Lock the clamps. Ready for the arm. Pin engaged. All right, bring the harness over. It connects right here. Got it. Let's secure the bulb holders first.
Drops are secure.
Wiring confirmed. Initiating power sequence. Stand by for illumination.
All secure. Excellent fit.
Agreed. Let's close it up.
Here, where industry meets community, we find a new elegance. Nature's masterpiece, reimagined. We take the raw beauty of the shed antler and craft it into a statement of luxury.
It's even more impressive in person.
Yes. Truly a masterpiece of craftsmanship.